So we have snow drifts of 30 inches in the backyard. And the snow is really heavy. Yeah. There's a huge snow drift towards the front. You can make some nice snowballs. Real nice snowballs with this snow.
Okay, I'm stepping out. Holy cow! This is our first deepest snowstorm ever.
And it's still coming down.